The student expected to see an animation that transitions from one custom character to another, but the code does not compile. I checked the hardware, did not find any mistakes. Take a look at her code and see if you can find the mistakes. In the code, right at the top, the student forgot the basic syntax to include a library. The time delay variable sets a duration for the human eye to see the character. 5 milliseconds is far too short. A half second would be a more reasonable delay between the changes. There's 1 bit missing from the first row. Characters on these LCDs have 5 columns and 8 rows, so the array has to have 5 bits per element and 8 elements. Another column definition mistake here, this time with an extra bit. Be careful to end the list of elements with a brace, not a parentheses. When creating custom characters, the first arg defines which slot to put the character. Most LCDs support 8 custom characters in slot 0 through 7. When the LCD object begins, the args are the size of the display, not the start position of the cursor. The LCD write command's argument is the number of the slot of the custom character, not the name of its array. The flow for custom characters is through 3 steps. First, define the name's byte patterns. Then, create the character and put it into one of the custom character slots. Then, write to the LCD screen the contents of one slot. And the same here. Use the custom character's slot number, not the name of its array. Here's a tip. This code had a few mistakes with the length of the elements that define the rows. It can be useful to add spaces so that they align vertically. That way, excess and deficit bits stand out. And here's your master challenge. Let's see who's the first person to post a solution in the comments.